If you're still using a 2018 property playbook in 2026, then you're already behind. The rules haven't just changed, they have completely shifted. So here's what's actually making a good suburb worth investing in today and why most investors are still getting it wrong. Hello everyone, Kate Hill. If you're ready to build real wealth through smart, no-nonsense property decisions, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into what makes a good investment suburb in 2026. It's not what it used to be. For years, property investing followed a simple formula: buy close to the city, find something undervalued, wait. But in 2026, that approach alone is not enough. The market is involved. Buyer behaviour has changed. Demand now performs very differently. So what actually defines a good investment suburb today? Let's break it down. It is not just any longer about distance to the CBD. Once upon a time, proximity to the CBD was everything. Today, really not so much. Flexible work, decentralized job hubs, better transport means people prioritize lifestyle, amenities, accessibilities over distance. Some of the strongest performing suburbs are now not the closest. They are the most livable. Infrastructure is the real growth driver. If you want to know where a suburb is heading, follow the infrastructure. Road upgrades, transport links, hospitals, schools, retail hubs, all shape demand. The key is looking forward. Future infrastructure drives growth. If you are finding this content helpful, I love that. Please hit subscribe. I share lots of strategies and insights that help you grow long-term wealth through smart property investing. Owner-occupier appeal matters more than ever. Owner-occupiers drive price growth, real price growth. They compete harder and they will pay more. Suburbs with lifestyle appeal, schools, parks, amenities, they tend to outperform. If people want to live there, values follow. Supply and demand is more nuanced. It's not just about supply, it's about the type of supply. Too much of the same product can limit growth. The goal is strong demand with controlled supply. Now really, price only matters in context. Cheap doesn't equal opportunity. It only works if demand supports it. The best suburbs sit where affordability meets strong fundamentals. A good suburb in 2026 and beyond is defined by multiple factors working together, not just the one metric. If you get that location right, everything else will become easier. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you're serious about building real wealth through smart and well-researched property decisions, stick around. There is a lot here to support your journey, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.